So the Insertion Mag flow meter technology sounds very simple, but many of end users are not aware of the different type of Insertion Mag flow meters. There is a big confusion in the industry that all Insertion Mag flow meters are the same. So today let's have a look of two different style of Insertion Mag flow meters. So these two mag flow meter has a huge difference in terms of performance. So let's first look at the similarity of these two mag flow meters.
Easy hot tap installation without interrupting service or inconveniencing customers.
So now let's have a look at the differences. The FPI or a full profile Insertion Mag flow meter has a big advantage in terms of accuracy and performance. So the full profile Insertion Mag flow meter offers 0.5% plus minus accuracy, whereas the single profile meters is up to 2%, so which is 4 times worse in accuracy with a single profile meter. Second, the performance. The full profile meters doesn't require much straight runs because the sensors are placed at equal distance and it monitors the full profile of the pipe. Whereas the single point Insertion Mag meter requires laminar flow, longer straight runs. Full profile Insertion Mag flow meter can read bidirectional flow, whereas the single point can read only one direction. In my opinion, full profile Mag flow meter like FPI from McCrometer offers a huge advantage and is a powerful tool for flow metering applications. So when it comes to Insertion Mag flow meters or any flow metering needs, if you have any questions or doubt and like to involve us for your application analysis, please talk to us.